Hey, this is Coach Sandifer, and I'm just going to walk you guys through the process of how to turn off your email notifications from your Google Classroom. What we're learning is a lot of students aren't checking your email, and we're sending out important emails from the office that you need to be reading, but you're getting so many emails from your Google Classrooms that your inbox is cluttered. So I'll show you real quickly how you'll turn off your email notifications for those of you who don't know how to do it. The first thing that we need to do is click on these three lines up here at the top left. Okay, we'll go down here to settings, and then we will be able to see all of the notifications settings that we have here. We're going to check this box to make sure your email notifications are off. That way you are not getting a separate email for all of your individual Google Classrooms and for every assignment that's posted. This will clean up your inbox a lot. Now what we do encourage is that you download the Google Classroom app on your phone if you use your phone. You'll get notifications on your phone through that app about assignments that are posted, but you're not going to have the extra notification in your email. So hopefully this helps and you'll be able to see the emails that we're sending out from the office that you need to see.